But this is one that we are going to sell for cash. Because in the beginning, you may need to sell for cash to raise more money, to then reinvest back into more mobile homes. This is a 1998 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-wide mobile home. More specifically, it's our single-wide. This is an after video of of a walkthrough. We just had some repairs done to the property, and let's take a walk around. Is it our responsibility to mow the lawn?
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone's lot, people have to mow. I want to take a look at the roof. We didn't do anything to the roof, right?
Right.
Okay. There was no leaks on the inside ceiling. And this roof, although it does look wavy, you probably can't tell from the video, it's just a slight wave. It's used, it's weathered, and it's just not like it was from the factory. But of course not. It's 20 years old or more. So this looks clean because let's look at the neighbors. Oh, theirs looks clean as well. People here's look clean. What you're going to see in the field is caked on different material. If it's this metal roof, if it's not shingle, or if it's flat, or if it's this pitched metal roof, over time people just put cool seal. They put roofing cement, roofing tar, different rubber products, different aluminum type of liquid products that they just dump out of these 5-gallon buckets and put onto the ceiling, or the roof. So you'll just see different material on different mobile homes, but this one looks clean. I mean, if you went up there and you can walk on this, you could see where the tears are, where the holes are, if any of the flashing around some of the vents is missing. I panned down because I want to take a look at the skirting right now. This doesn't look... I mean, obviously this skirting looks just so much nicer. There's no holes in it. I think it's that's the same material as this right here. But this, you can just see where the weed whacker has gotten into it. Some people, a quick fix is to put landscaping timbers down at the bottom. And then so start with landscaping timbers, which are like 3 feet, 3 inches, 4 inches high. And then you put the skirting on top of that. So the weed whacker just hits those landscaping timbers. But this looks okay. Let's take a walk around. Well, it doesn't look the best, but we're going to keep it. You could also flip this upside down so that the top channel is covering. The neighbors this is real quiet. Have you met the neighbors yet at all? She's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're coming around the back here. We didn't do anything to the back. We didn't pressure wash the outside or anything.
Nope.
There's the HUD label. Homes after 1976 should have a HUD label in the back driver's side part of the house. But these oftentimes they can be removed. They're just riveted on here so people can steal them, or you can vinyl side right over them. Most states you can just simply order another HUD seal if yours is missing. Oh, you can come through. And on this side of the home, door's not the best, but just a nice clean single wide. You have a really kind of older model right here. Oh, and look at this. That one's short. That next one's short. We have and then ours is real long because it comes right to the back of the lot. So it's interesting. It is pretty short, right? Probably a one bedroom. Here you have an old gas line, what looks like gas, but this home is not gas. And then right here is where the water comes into the home. You can see the meter. I think you can see the meter. And then right here is the spigot. I don't know if you can see that, just the regular hose looking. If I turn that on, that turns the water on and off to the home. And then underneath looks the same as it did before. We didn't do anything down here. The insulation is still, the vapor barrier still looks nice, relatively. No puddles under there, nothing leaking. Nice steps, simple, easy. Bet the windows were maybe leaking at one point. They just put, or maybe that's original. No, I don't think so. Just on top of the window, that caulking that's turned black. Oh yeah, you can see just like kind of a bead of tar going against the, where the gutter is. Look at that gutter just overhanging. Okay. This looks nice. Oak wood. Okay. Shall we go inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Are these carnations or roses?
I think they're roses.
Oh, wow. Oh, cool. And look at that. A little praying mantis.
Really?
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Come here,
nice.
buddy. Whoa.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's a little one.
Hey, buddy. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Okay. This is a nature YouTube channel. So now this door, what's different about this?
We painted it, and then we painted the front door red.
That front door. Comment below about what you think about the front door. We've been getting a little hate from the, just the man, not hate, but just questioning.
Like, what?
Yeah.
Kim says to Emery, don't get any ideas, Emery. She liked it, but he didn't.
Oh, okay. The floors, this is all new. The carpet's new. The subfloor's new right here.
Yeah.
That looks great. Where you're standing on, is that new?
Yes.
Okay.
This was carpet right here.
That was carpet? Okay. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. And then the central, this was a new system, same as before. That works just fine. Oh, that floor is nice. Oh, okay. Oh, and I'm noticing the paint too. You painted the whole home?
Yeah.
Okay. And I say you because how many days did it take?
6.
6 days to paint.
Yeah.
You did 2 colors. I mean, you did the trim, you did the inside, but that clearly is not the best use of our time.
Exactly.
But it was done. We saved a couple $100. The closet is about the same. Nothing's changed in the closet. Oh, that's right. Yeah. There was this that was just previously dry. And then this section over here. Good. And then right here behind the tub. So this has been fixed. There was a hole here. I don't remember how big it was, but it didn't go higher than here. It was just to access the plumbing in the back, because in mobile homes, it's difficult to access this. You can't really get to it from the front. So we'll go into the bathroom, but we're selling this mobile home for cash, which is why we put in the carpet, which is why we did some of the floors, which is why we painted the home, and which is why we fixed this. But this could have been done a little bit better. How much did this cost to have him put these 2 pieces of batten strip and then this, quick drywall patch? How much was that?
Didn't charge me.
Didn't charge anything. Now, we could have had this completely removed. You could have put a new piece of drywall right there, or gypsum board, and put a batten strip, and you just wouldn't have had these 2 pieces right here. But it looks decorative. It doesn't look bad. There's nothing wrong with it. People, when they move in, they're just going to ignore that after so long. Dresser's going to be there. It's not a big issue. So I just kind of wanted to point that out, that was no cost, and took 10 minutes, or relatively a short period of time.
It's like a James McBride hack.
Yeah. That's a very inside joke. Like, how many? 3 people are gonna laugh. Okay. It's a member of a Facebook group. Shout out to James. These are nice. We always want to put in, or not always, but we did put in new blinds. And a real good tip about blinds. Now, we're selling this one for cash, so we did put in new blinds. If we're selling on payments, we might not. But a good tip was keep the blinds closed as you're showing the home, just so people can feel like they're in their own private space. If the neighbors look gross, or just you just kind of want to feel like you're in your own private home. Ow. So this second bathroom, the electricity's off at the moment in the second bathroom because we're having just the last piece of electric done. But this bathroom, what did we do in here?
So we redid the subfloor. I think it was soft around the toilet right here. So he took the toilet out. He redid the subflooring. There was sticky tile here.
That's right.
They actually accidentally threw it away. I was going to use it, but I like it better that they redid the vinyl in here.
So that's all rebuilt. Oh, that's so nice. And they removed the toilet, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's just nice and solid. No problem. Tub. They didn't do anything to the tub. Looks a little dirtier than before.
Yeah, what happened when they took out the subtiles, they threw it in the tub, and there was glue on it. And then we weren't able to get that glue up off of there.
Oh, that's what happened? I don't think we did anything down there. Okay, we have to clean that actually. I still see, that looks like Maybe some mouse.
Oh, dang, we missed it. Okay.
That's good to do a final walkthrough.
Yeah,
this
that's good.
This Formica countertop is not the best. It's used, just a basic mirror, but we're going to keep it. It's going to sell for cash. Could we paint the Formica countertop or get something new or nicer? Absolutely. But we're not going to. We're going to pass that savings on to the next buyer and not charge as much as we could for the home. This was very soft at one point. So we simply removed and replaced the subfloor right here. Just this piece or the whole floor?
About like a 6x6. It was like from here to like right over here.
Oh, wow.
All soft.
Okay. How much for the labor to do everything that we've gone through already?
I think it was just under $1,500 for the labor.
Okay. Okay. And then again, no ceiling issues, so we didn't have to touch the ceiling at all. Windows are all just basic aluminum. There's nothing wrong with that. The paint looks really nice. That's that electric issue. The electric, and this was not discovered when we were walking through the first time, the electric right here does not actively connect to this switch. And there is a problem, so we're just going to get that fixed as one of the last little things that we do. We could put a little chain here light, and if we were selling on payments, we may want to do that. But because we're selling for cash, it's just a simple luxury. People expect to put a switch.
I have to come back through here and do this doorway.
Oh, that looks okay. You are being critical. And thermostat is nice, but it really does look nice. Here's something. Well, I wonder what this was. You can see it's like maybe there was a hole here and they just patched a hole. I don't know what else would have been right there.
Yeah.
And there's nothing on the other side necessarily. This is nice, that beadboard looking material, just a piece of paneling. Just simple stuff, basic home, nice, pretty, functional.
Yeah.
And then in the kitchen, we had to get new laminate here, or this is all the same?
They saved the laminate. They had
Excellent.
to fix a soft spot right through here. Not bad, and they pulled the laminate back. They didn't think they were going to be able to save it, but they actually were really careful when they were able to save it. So.
Was it glued down originally?
Yeah,
Yeah?
a little bit,
Wow.
but yeah, they were able to pull it back.
Oh, okay. Now this is good. Now this is what we were talking about here. Okay, well, this is what me and Kathy were talking about here. So this was, I wish, we probably have a picture of it, of what this looked like before. And what a super easy, quick fix, instead of having to remove the cabinets, pull everything out. The linoleum and the cabinets were sort of a little bit further apart here, and then they got a little closer together. But there was this gap, and it looked ugly, and then you could see, I think even this is different, underneath here. It was just all coming apart. And then in here we have this insulation board being used, which is nice. And you said that the handyman liked using this board for...
Because, Tim was just guessing that it was more flexible.
Okay.
That it's easier to maneuver it in than a hardwood, I guess.
It's not the cheapest. Maybe someone just had it laying around as well. But it looks nice. Looks in the future. And then this is a nice fix. So right here, we could have done something that would have been so much more costly. But the handyman gave us this suggestion. What a fantastic suggestion of pre-used trim that we just had laying around, or of floor.
Yeah.
Like that is, it's not even trim. It's pieces of floor that are repurposed and screwed down and look just fine.
Yeah.
What a great, and cost nothing. Yeah, so.
And we had it laying around.
Kitchen, basic, pretty. Chandelier. Okay. This looks just fine. Same as it did before. Oh, and again, new carpet. Smells great. We didn't touch the water heater at all. Hey, everybody. All right. And then this is definitely original, and this is the master bathroom, but we did decide to keep all the squares.
Yeah, not the prettiest.
Doesn't look the prettiest right here, but still, people can go ahead and address this if they'd like. This is a very used home. You get the shower can go instantly from toilet to shower in 2 steps. And you got your tub over here. Yeah, basic. Okay, simple. And then I think this was a questionable issue. Again, behind the shower. Surprised there was nothing right here. Oh, there is.
There was.
There was an issue right here as well?
They found it later.
Right here.
Yeah.
And then that's okay. Another reason for this, they put these 2 batten strips.
There was a leak in the tub, and
Mhm.
they fixed the leak, and then the floor was soft right here, and they fixed that. And we were wondering whether we should just take the whole tub out because we think there's a little bit of soft under the tub, but the handyman didn't think it was significant. So we chose to not take the tub out and just do what was visible right here.
Excellent. Good. Okay. And then this again was replaced. And looks nice.
And then we took out the ceiling fan here because they said it shouldn't have been in there. It was too heavy for the home. It was just hanging by wires.
It was just hanging by the wires because, yeah, yours truly replaced that. And that was hanging by the wires. This is nice. This is one that we could always sell for cash. I'm sorry, we could always sell for payments. Even if we advertise for cash, we're going to get people wanting payments. Wanting to buy for payments, but this is one that we are going to sell for cash because in the beginning you may need to sell for cash to raise more money to then reinvest back into more mobile homes. And this is a nice property, a single wide 3-2. That's certainly what people are looking to sell for cash or buy for cash. If it was a 2-1, depending on the market, this isn't the most high demand area. So a 3-2 will sell for cash a little bit quicker than a 2-bedroom. But a 2-bedroom will certainly sell for cash, and it depends on the price. You need to know your numbers. Right now I'm rambling. This is excellent, Kathy. I'm happy. High five.
Yeah.
All right.
I probably wouldn't paint again.
That's our video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.